everybody, it's Starla once again. Obviously, if you keep watching this video, please like this video and subscribe. If you don't do that, I'll call the cops on you. So do that right now. Anyways, I'm gonna do a video of how to relaxing music, and I'm gonna see if it does work before you go my the relaxing music. You know what I mean? Well, yeah. And my big announcement is 2 more weeks. And stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's get to the video. So probably you guys are wondering why I'm doing this video. Why I'm doing this video is I'm trying to protect myself. I know Donald Trump is going to kidnap me when I'm sleeping. So I hope this will help me because Donald Trump is going to kidnap me. If you're watching this, Donald Trump, you're not going to kidnap me. Please don't. Don't you dare. Okay, let's see if this will work. This is kind of weird.
Rest in now in a warm and comfortable place.
Okay.
Gently close your eyes.
Okay.
And now start to concentrate on how you are breathing. Allowing your breath to become calm and peaceful.
Like this?
Well done.
Thank you.
Soft, gentle.
I swear you sound familiar. Are you Lady Gaga?
I have a beautiful gift for you.
Really? What is
a
it?
Magical gift.
Wow.
It is soft and warm.
Is it
and
like
made of many brilliant colours.
You interrupted me. Is it a cat? Or a bird? What is it?
So carefully now, imagine that you are being tucked into a deep, snuggly blanket by someone who loves you very, very much.
No one loves me, besides my tails. But no one loves me. You're hurting my feelings. Lady Gaga? Lady Gaga?
This is your dream blanket. Look at all the beautiful colours.
Whoa.
Baby pinks.
I love that color.
Perfect blues.
Perfect. Wait, my blanket's not
Christmas
like this.
greens.
Christmas? I love
Satin
Christmas.
silvers and golds.
My blanket does not look like this.
Reds, oranges and
Whoa.
yellows.
Whoa.
Each magical colour neatly sewn with tiny stitches of love.
Whoa. And what are my cows?
Oh, and the smell of the blanket.
Oh.
Wonderful smells that you know and make you feel safe.
That smells like slumber. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh, nasty. Smells like slumber. Spent.
Soft material, wrapping you up, hugging you close.
Trying to wrap myself up.
As you drift to a wonderful place of beautiful dreams.
Whoa.
Sunshine and rainbows.
Rainbows.
Hugs and kisses.
Ew, that's disgusting. I'm too young.
Laughter and smiles.
Lady Gaga, are you okay?
All the things that you love.
I love
And
rainbows.
all the things that love you too.
No one loves me besides my
Magically
cows.
wrapped in your soft, warm, dream blanket.
Oh, it feels so good. It's so warm and cuddly.
Sleep well.
Okay. See you later, Lady Gaga. Booger shake. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. You better subscribe and like this video. If you don't, you'll regret it. Just letting you know. And I'm so excited to share my